Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. And before I start, I would want to say thank you to each one of you because I'm seeing few subscribers who are subscribing new. So thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. And also I would really want that if you like the videos, and if you even don't like the videos, do put in your feedback or comments. That would mean really a lot to me because that will help me to do further, like what मुझे क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना. That I'll get to know with your feedback. So yeah, that is the most important thing. So today's video is about 5 type of earrings that every girl could have, and believe me, like in Pansai you will be sorted. Like these can go with every look, kuch bhi, even you are wearing a jeans or if you are wearing a kurti, anything. Like these 5 kinds would cover up all for you. So let's start with the first one is like this, these basics stud. These will go with everything, like anything, like you wear anything and you can wear these, and this will add a style statement to your any outfit, like anything that you are wearing. And these are like you can मतलब कोशिश करो कि ये थोड़ा सा मोटा हो so that it's visible on your face. और अगर if you like even the smaller ones, that is okay, there is no problem with that, but that completely depends upon you which kind is suiting you on your face cut or anything. But these are the basic ones, and I'll try to put in the cutouts like this side, or maybe my try on the this side. So let's see, like I'll see कि whatever is fitting in I'll put on the this side. So that's why it's empty as of now. So yeah, so first one is the basic studs. The second one are every girl's favorite. I'm sure mine though are, these are favorites. I'm not sure about yours. So my hairs are like little bit frizzy, so please anyways ignore it. So yeah, so I was saying the second one are these hoops, and I have them in both the tone silver and gold, and you can have it in rose gold as well. So these go with jeans, off shoulder top, maxi dress, like किसी के साथ भी पहन लो यार. It will add a statement to your any of the outfit. The second thing about these hoops are like it can instantly change the vibe of your outfit. So these are like every girl's go-to piece, like ये पहन लो and you will be sorted for sure. Also I'm wearing these one. These are from one of the Instagram stores and they sent it to me and I love them. I generally wear them on beaches. I thought to pair it with my off-shoulder top, so I pair them today. And these are also in the same category, but in case you don't like those bigger ones, like क्योंकि ये बहुत भारी हैं, so if you don't want something like that, just go with these. These are like, and these retail for rupees 50 to 100 or 150, so बहुत cheap and can be sorted, like make your outfit very good and statement kind. So yeah, the second one is these hoops. Third one, which are I won't say like ये मेरे इतने favorite नहीं है, but obviously they needed, like these are needed in wardrobe because they go with the ethnic stuff and more of the stuff like kurti, plazo and these kind of stuff. Especially मुझे पता है क्या problem होती है, these the ones which are being jhumki style, and I'm sure you must be having that in your wardrobe. So I got it from Amazon, किसी पूरे सेट के साथ I got it. And these kinds are one which go with kurti and I was saying ethnic. So coming back to जो मैं बोल रही थी वो ये बोल रही थी, इनकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, ये यहाँ से यूँ टक होते हैं, so it makes a lot of burden on your ears. That's what I feel. I'm not sure about you, how you guys feels about these झुमकी earrings, but I feel that बहुत ज़्यादा ना दर्द होता है इससे कान में. But obviously it's a neat thing, so yeah, I will put them in list of 5 which are must have. So yes, these झुमकी earrings are the third one. Yeah, these are the now third come one. The fourth one, and the fourth one is actually I like them. So basically they are थोड़ा सा heavy and they are good for adding a big statement to your outfit. Especially it can go with shararas and stuff, and something which are like if you are going for some healthy haldi or mehndi kind function. So these are the ones. ये बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े हैं, but I'm sure these looks really good, and I got it from one of the Amazon store. Again, it was of 250 or something like that rupees. Anyways, I'll be putting the try on side में, so you can look at them. So yeah, these are the fourth ones, and these will go like with a range of outfits. So I am keeping them in list, and you can have it in silver too. I got them in gold because जो these kind of function वाला stuff होता है ना, इसमें generally gold का चीज़ें होती हैं. So I thought कि let me get the gold one, and if I like it I'll get an earring of the silver one too. But yes, the fourth one are these bigger ones, and you can have a lot of range in it, like बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे, but I like these ones, so I thought, yeah, these ones. And the fifth and the last one, I'm not sure how much you are going to like it, but I have not an opinion about it. I'm still in stage of trying these kinds of earrings, so it's the first time I tried. I would say okay टाइप लगे मुझे, ऐसा नहीं कहूँगी कि अभी मेरे फेवरेट है, but I'll keep on trying. देखती हूँ how much I'm able to carry these one. So the last one is ये जो आजकल चल रहे हैं, which have something written on it. These are like मुसाफिर लिखा हुआ है इस पर, यार आई डोंट नो कितना दिख रहा है, हाँ इस पर मुसाफिर लिखा हुआ है. एंड आई गॉट दीज वन बिकॉज आई एम अ ट्रैवल पर्सन, आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू ट्रैवल. आई हैव अ टैटू ऑल्सो विच इज़ अ वंडरलस्ट टैटू, सो एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू ट्रैवल इज समथिंग आई लव. सो आई गॉट दीज वन. इसमें और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती है जिसपे किसी ने पटाखा लिखा हुआ है, और भी बहुत कुछ है. आई वॉज एबल टू रिलेट विद दिस वन, सो आई एम ट्राइंग दिस वन. आई थिंक ये एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पेयर है विच यू कैन ट्राई विद सम बोहो लुक्स, और you can try with some of the, I would say boho to yeah one, and that could be semi casual where you are wearing a jeans with kurti, and yes, that will again come in boho. So yeah, these are the fifth ones. You can also try this. I will put a link if I have that where I got these. On that note, I am ending this video. 5 kind of earrings that every girl should have. And also I would say that if you like the video, that will mean a lot to me. Even if you don't like it, please put in your comments. I'll take your feedback and we'll try to improve further. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is Stuti Kogia. So thank you so much for giving me your time today. Have a good day and have a good week. Next video coming in next week. Bye bye.